Hi there, welcome back. Today, I thought we might look once again at that very special letter B for baby. Now, I love babies, and I also love the letter B. I have a song today about the letter B. It's pretty cute. It's very simple. The but words in this song are beach. Oh, I'd love to go to the beach, but we're all locked at home at the moment. This is a yummy can you see the baked and down bean, and the other special word, but I don't have a picture for it, is bounce, and they're all my words for this song, and it goes like this. The baked bean bounced down the beach. The baked bean bounced down the beach. The baked bean bounced down the beach. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Now, another word that I can think of just off the top of my head at the moment is, I've got some here. You might know what they are. I've got a variety of buttons here. Buttons. And I was thinking maybe I'll use these buttons to decorate my but sound. So down we go. Hope you can see. There's the big B, baby. And I'll pop these buttons on. This is a square pink button. This is a green triangle button. This is a pink circle button. Something different, I've got a green star-shaped button. So that's the first line. And then we're going to go around here to finish off the b sound. There's another green triangle. Another pink one. Let's go green again. And then pink. And then green. And lucky last, we'll finish it off with the pink one. You might see the pattern I tried to make. It goes green, pink, green, pink, green, pink, green, pink, green, pink. Ta-da! Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. We'll see the letter B again, but until then, bye-bye.